What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how to get the Thalwynd Longsword in Crimson Desert. If you're a fan of the Claymore, you might take a liking to this one. The Thalwynd Longsword is a two-handed sword that has 16 points of attack damage with a level 2 critical rate. It's got no abyss gears unfortunately, but you can add up to 5 of them later. The sword can be found southwest from the town of Hernand, around the area of the Glassstone Institute. It's just on this waypoint here, exactly at the end of this path. When you get there, you'll find a cave. You simply have to get inside this cave, and you'll find the sword just lodged into the ground around the corner. You better pick it up right away, since if you leave without taking it, there's a chance it'll disappear. Now I don't know if it's meant to do that, or it's just a bug in the game, since it happened to the Chill Fallen sword I discovered before. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.